Hi, I'm Amy Van Weinsberg.
And I'm Noel Sharkey, and we have with us today Peter Novitzky.
Peter is a part of our workshop on Responsible Robotics that has been sponsored by the 4TU Center for Ethics and Technology in the Netherlands. So thank you for being with us here today,
Thank
Peter.
Thank you for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about your work in ethics?
I joined a project which was founded by the NWO. It's a Dutch research organization, and it's related to the ethical issues of drones, and we are supposed to develop an ethical framework for future use for either industry or people who are going to develop drone technologies in the future.
And how's that going?
It just started, so I'm at the very early stage of my research, but I'm looking forward for the challenge.
And which university are you at?
I'm at the University of Twente, so I'm your colleague.
Yeah. Nice. And from what I understand, you're working with multiple stakeholders, right? This isn't just sort of the ethicists working alone?
No, it's we are two researchers involved. There's a legal researcher, and I'm responsible for the ethical part. And we have a very direct access to industry and also governmental organizations. So there are, for example, the fire brigade, the police, and other municipality they are interested all in drone technologies and the future use, public safety, and these kind of issues. So.
Nice. And so what will you be talking about in the workshop?
I will be talking about first the clarification of terminology. There are lots of terms coming up in the literature. I'm focusing on their nature, that they are mostly representing the UAV, the unmanned aerial vehicles, and the remotely piloted systems. They all represent some sort of a military use, which I believe, or we believe, it's inappropriate to use for the civil use and our civil applications. And then I will focus on a couple of normative issues and the values, what we want to embed in this drone technology, especially to the chilling effect. There are issues related to when somebody wants to impose a particular ethical norm to somebody, and the drone technology is perfect for that. Drones are readily available, so. And I have a short presentation on the design parts. So I see a big discrepancy between what is already available in the aviation industry and why it is not being used in the drone technology already, for example, lights and these kind of things.
The last question I have for you. You were working in bioethics before,
yes,
and now you've moved into robot ethics.
Yes.
What's the difference? Have they got similar trends, and are there big differences?
I was actually on the borderline with bioethics because we were developing ambient assisted living technologies for people with dementia. So it was related to ambient intelligence before, and it's relatively close because there is an ethics of technology part, or relatively big part. So I'm just applying a lot of my knowledge from bioethics. It's a very a good example at hand, and lots of people can imagine those kind of applications, especially in relation with the vulnerable population. So I think I can contribute a bit more to the discussion and give a specific taste to it.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, and
thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching.